Alright guys, welcome to Daily Auto FS. So in today's video, I will be taking you guys on creation of trading robots. And in case if you're new to my channel and you find value with what I'm doing, please kindly click on the subscription button and the notification button, and of course so that you get notified once I drop any of my content. So in this today's tutorial video, I will be sharing you guys with the knowledge of how to use the Fxdreema very properly and some key stuff. But in today's video, I will be doing much explanation on the buttons right here, okay, the columns right here. So I will be doing that in today's video. All right, so let me actually open up my, so let me create a new page. So I'm gonna create this right now. You can put any of your name here, your preferred project name, and you can just create. Okay, so now guys, down that we are on a new page. Okay, you can see from my menu here, this is projects, this is load projects, that means your saved projects. Okay, and this is new project, just like I did, that brought us to this blank page. So if I click on this load project, you can see some of the projects I have. That's the robots that I have created already. And now let's head on to import projects. All right, so here you can import your projects. Okay, if actually it's not on the platform, on the interface already, then and if you have the file, okay, so you just have to go to the folder where you save the file. If it's in document, so you can see I can actually upload some of my robots from the MQL4 file. So let's just try one, okay? And let's just try this then. Let's try this. So you can see that this is my worked project, and a very cool robot also. Okay, so now that is that for that. Now let's go back to our blank platform. So this is create a shared copy web link. Okay, so this web link will allow me to share my project with a friend, or maybe got stuck on my project and I need a help from a friend. So I can just create that web link and work the project there and share the link to my friend, so that my friend can go into that same platform and maybe help me out. Okay, but that will be a separate link, which means my friend will not have access to this platform, this currently platform, so he can't have access to my project and all of that stuff. All right, so that is for a discrete project. Okay, and this is my indicators. So in these indicators right here, um we will be looking at what it does. So here is add custom indicator. So and in this indicator, this is where you work on indicator to convert indicator to a robot. Okay, so this is the buffers for indicator. So assuming I have, let's say I have an indicator MQF4 file, which means the source file or the raw file, I can actually upload it right from here. And you can see load from file, choose. So you can just click on choose file, and definitely I don't actually work with indicators. I create my own robot. So you can choose a file just like I choose the file right from here, and you can also do the same right from here. Okay, then when you choose the file, you can update it and work on it. All right, don't forget, I won't go much into deeper explanation because I'm just touching on the peripherals on how to use what Fxdreema. Remember that. So we are just explaining all these stuffs right here. Okay, the few I can be able to explain for today, and I believe it will help so many of you out there who has been confused on how to use these tabs very effectively. All right, so now here is the profile settings. I believe you know what that means. So it's where you set your profile, etc, all those stuff, which I'm not going to go much deeper into. And this is where you purchase. So you can see this is a paid account. All right, 273 days remaining. Okay, and this is where you can log out. And this is project options. So here you can create some options for your project, something like, more advanced level stuff. Okay, and this is the help, just like a customer care support, everything that you need to, if there's any case at all you need, you can actually get that from here. Okay, so now let's come down to our the left side of the panel. So here, this is where you can name your robots. I can just name this robot BVG, and okay, let me just delete it first. I can just name it BVG. Okay, so this is where you name your robot. Okay, your project. This is where you name your project. After doing that, you can just click done. And don't forget, this is where you save your executional files. Executional files are just like copy files. Okay, they are not the originals. And now this is the original file. So with this file, someone can actually replicate your work. Okay, someone can actually do or do otherwise. I mean, someone can be the claim ownership of your work with this file. So if you send this file to a friend, you have actually sent out the original, the blueprint of your work. You know what that means? So the person has power over it. You can wipe out your name, your identity on the robot, and give it a new identity and whatever, or do whatever he wants in that particular file. Okay, so I don't actually advise you sending out this file, but you can send this out. Okay, this is an execution file. With this file, it is only what a read-only file. Okay, it's not an alterationable file, so you can't alter anything with this file. Okay, and this file is just an executioner file. You understand what that means? Execution. So its only purpose is to execute whatever that is inside it. It does not have the power to review whatever that is inside it. Okay, so now for the name mcure means meta code. Okay, so mql4 means meta code language 4. Okay, and this is ex, that means executioner file. Okay, that being said, I hope we have understood what these two buttons represent here. All right, so let's go down in deeper, and here you can see the title page, the constant. Okay, so in this constant we'll be looking at hold on. All right, so in this constant page, sorry for that. So in this constant, um we'll be looking at the variables and the constants. Okay, but I will explain this in another of my posts. So if you find any knowledge in this, don't forget to subscribe and like my page and follow for more. All right, see you in my next video.